He's co-founder of the video game publication Polygon. So what say you, Russ? Could crypto's bad news be good news for the gaming console manufacturers because demand for the chips is down, the price is down, they can buy at a cheaper price?
Yeah, I think we're already seeing a huge impact on this drop. Basically, there was this period of time where all these manufacturers, think of Sony, for example, that makes the PlayStation 5, struggling to get supply out there because they couldn't meet the demand of, everyone that wanted one for essentially 2 years. People that make gaming PCs, for example, need those graphics cards. All those graphics cards were going off to fund these intricate crypto mining operations. And so you'd see prices that were like 300% above normal. It was bizarre. And now they're starting to come down again.
What are the main manufacturers of those cards?
Sure. So we've got NVIDIA, AMD are really the two main graphics manufacturers. And AMD, for example, powers many of the gaming consoles that you interact with, Xbox, for example, and Nintendo. And so those console manufacturers rely on those chips to, let's say, either get stock out there or update their stock.
So
Nintendo...
Go ahead, finish. I'm sorry. Please finish, Russ. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to step on you.
I was going to say, Nintendo has been looking to update their hardware for several years now. It keeps getting delayed. Certainly, they've had a lot of success. But at this point, I think part of it is just a supply issue. They haven't had the chips to update the Nintendo Switch, even though they've had this enormous success. It would sell a boatload, but they're not quite there yet because of supply.
So there's the good news for the game console makers. They're going to have better access to these chip cards at lower prices than they had expected, and there isn't going to be perhaps the supply chain bottlenecking that we saw. I just verbed that word. I'm not supposed to do that, but at any rate. But on the other hand, has it been a good year? Has it been a blockbuster year for gaming titles, which would then drive demand?
That is a good question. It has not been a very good year for gaming. As a matter of fact, it's one of the weakest years for gaming in recent memory. A lot of that has to do with the pandemic. A lot of these games that were being made, their development cycles totally got shifted because of the pandemic. And now we're starting to see the consequences of that 1 and 2 years after the fact, where all these games kept getting pushed or canceled. So there were so few games that released this year that there just wasn't a lot to support. We are seeing a big improvement in releases in 2023. So I think it will bounce back. But this past year has been dramatically weak for the gaming industry.
So which is the more important factor here? Is it the chipset chip card issue or the dearth of successful titles?
I think they are tied. I think now that you're seeing the chips getting out there and becoming more available, and you're seeing these game releases start to pepper in through the 2023 season, you're going to see both the success of those chips as well as the success of these games industries that have been essentially without major releases for the last year and a half. I think you will start to see a bounce. Maybe
there are parents, clueless parents, clueless grandparents out there who would like to know what the hot game is this Christmas season for their child or grandchild. What are a couple?
I mean, a fair bet will always be if you buy your kid Fortnite bucks or whatever it is, they're probably not going to walk away disappointed. Obviously, Roblox remains a massive success. And there's a new Pokemon game out, Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. Awesome. These are all kind of safe bets for kids.
All right, you've explained a complicated thing, and you've given us some gaming tips for shopping season. Russ, we thank you. Russ Frushtick.
Happy to help.